is Anthony Battaglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. Some workout stuff from INNO Supply. Big box. Cost me $250. See what we got first. We got turmeric, beetroot complex. I don't know what this is. We got another bottle. We got one more bottle, 3 bottles total. INNO Sherd Focus, Fat Burner, Mental Health, Mental Focus, Got another bottle, but I don't know if it's the same bottle. This is the first one. No, it's like a different. Oh, this one's the. It looks the same, but it's not. It's different. INNO Shred Fat Burner. This is the INNO Shred Focus. So we got one bottle of this Focus, and looks like we got 2 bottles. Yeah, 2 bottles of the INNO Shred Fat Burner. So we got 2 bottles of these. INNO cleanses. Oh, cleaners. Oh, that's a good bottle. It's shaker. It's like a protein shaker. We got INNO Shred Nighttime Fat Burner. I think we got two of these. No, three of these. We got 3 cases. And 60 capsules. We got another cleanser. INNO cleanser. So we got 2 boxes of that. They got veil killing 2000. I don't know what it is. For fat burner. So we got one bottle of this. And the last item we got is the clean vegan protein fruity cereal flavored. It's got 2 grams of fat, 24 grams of protein. So all this, what else I got? Oh, I got a bracelet, little bracelet thing. I think I'm missing something. This came from Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, that's it for the video. This is the stuff I got. Except the max strength. I don't know if I was supposed to, or storm maker, or CSA. I guess I got a couple of other things that I didn't get, like max strength, storm maker, CSA, 1200. But that's it for the video. Let's unbox it with Anthony. I unboxed the INNO Supps workout stuff. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my videos, share my channel, comment on this video. Also, if you'd like to join my Patreon, I have my Patreon link in the comments. If you'd like to help out the channel, support the channel, you can sign up for the Patreon. Also, if you'd like to donate to the channel, you can send donations to the PayPal address in the comments, so I could do more videos like this or other ones. Well, that's it for the video. Have a good day. Have a good night. That's Unboxing with Anthony. That's it. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.
Make her feel down. She was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered around, will she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was, live your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry, just get back up again. 'Cause if you wanna live, then live it big. If you want love, then